social media is right up here. So follow me on Instagram. And my social media is up here. So go ahead and what am I doing?
I love the Dollar Tree nail stuff. I'm gonna get this. And they also have like little like stuff too. I'm gonna get some of these files. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm still gonna get it. I wonder if they have wax pencils here. I don't think so. I want a white striping polish, but they don't have it. But they have like all these. Let me go get a. Like I said, I don't know if, well, I did mention it for sure in the video that I love the LA Colors collection of nail polish. And I haven't tried these out yet, but I'm excited to try them out. I mean, you can't have too many red nail polishes, right? Ooh, this one's cute. I haven't been able to find these, actually. The kids, they've been flying off the shelves, so I'm glad that I get to get my hands on some more of those colors. What's this? Eee. This is fun. Here I go, just throwing mad stuff in the cart. Mad things. I always go crazy in Dollar Tree. These are cute. These little duo things. I think I have like one. Oh, this is cute. I like this. They have so much stuff in the Dollar Tree. That's why I always say you can build your kit on a budget. You don't have to have a lot of money. I really want, oh, I found it. A white striping tape. I want one. I have a black one and I want a white one. But they have like implements and stuff. I mean, you can really build your kit. Really can. And everything is $1. That's what I love about it. I just love the thrill of getting everything for $1. Yep. I get these only for the little speckle stuff at the bottom. I really don't use the polished stuff. They have manicure sets like this. That's nice. I love this little duo thing. This is so, these are so cute. Again, my nails is Ratchet City. I'm doing a video, so be on the lookout for that. You know what I need? A brush to wipe off dust and stuff. One of those big powder brush thingies, or just any brush. I actually, like any powder brush to wipe off dust. But one thing about Dollar Tree is you can easily get carried away. Easily. Alrighty, let's see. They have these, which are so nice. I want to try these one day. They're the Kiss acrylic kits. They have forms and tips and everything in there. That's nice. If you want to find some cheap manicure kits and stuff, they have it here. Some nice ones. They have these special nippers for $9. You can use these for like horn nails and stuff like that. But I'm here, I'm looking for, what I want is some non-acetone remover because I'm going to be doing some videos. Ooh, what's this? They have nice acetone for really cheap. And I love these. My sister had recently got me a couple of these, so I'm gonna get a couple more. Let's see, this color is pretty. That color is pretty. I want some of these pinks. This is pretty. It's $2. Trying to see what colors I so let's see, they have lots of stuff like Essie. They have a lot of Essies. They have OPIs. They have nail treatments from Essie. But this section is up my alley right here. This is the section that I like. $2. They have like this quick dry spray. Never seen that. Focus. So I'm gonna see what's here. Not much. Oh, they have like this organizer here that can house, let's see, house like nail stuff. They have the quick dry spray, acetone spray. Never seen that before. Does it work? That's what I want to know. They have a lot of Sally Hansen too. Sally Hansen is real nice. Good thing about Sally Hansen is they have like a wide range of collections. So they have like the cheaper version, then they have a more expensive version around the $6-7 range. They also have gel polish too. Yeah, they have gel polish. Hi guys, welcome back to my nail obsession. So guys, the struggle is real. I just recorded this whole video and the whole time it wasn't recording. So I'm re-recording it now. I'm just gonna show you what I got from shopping today. I took you guys along shopping with me today, so I'm gonna show you what I got. If you like my nails, I have a video uploaded on these nails featuring one of the polishes in my haul. So if you want to watch that, I'll link it down below. So first I'm going to show you what I got at Walmart. So first thing I got is this cuticle remover. Now I have really thick cuticles on my fingers, so I want to try this out and see if it helps to remove a lot of that excess skin. So that's why I got it. I've never used one before, so I mean, I got it. And then next I got this manicure kit. So it's just a simple manicure kit with tweezers, a file, a big clipper, a orange wood stick, and a little clipper, just to add to my implement collection. You can never have too many implements. Next, I got 3 of these LA Colors polishes. If you don't know, I'm a big fan of LA Color polishes from the Dollar Tree, and they had these at Walmart. They're a different line, and it claims to last up to 10 days. So they are the LA Colors Color Last polishes. This one is in the color Friendship. It's a really pretty new color. It has a bit of shimmer in it. It's really unique. I like it. And then this color is the color that I have on my nails now, so it's really pretty, and it is called Eternal. It's a really pretty light nude color, as you can see. I have also this like mint green color. It's really pretty. I don't have anything like this in my collection. It's called Tradition, and it's this really pretty mint green color. I really like it. I grabbed a couple of these Pure Ice nail polishes. Now I don't have any of this brand in my nail collection, so I thought I'd just try a couple out, and they were like $1.98, so good price. This one is called First Love. It's like a pearly pink color. It's so unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm excited to use this. I'm pretty sure it'll be very pretty under chrome powder, so I'm gonna try it out like that. And then next color I have is called Satin Ribbon. It's a really pretty pale pink, like a translucent pink. It's really pretty. I don't have anything like this. Usually I'm not into pinks, but this one is really pretty. I like it. Next I got some Sally Hansen gel, not gel polishes, regular nail polishes. I got some Sally Hansen polishes. I don't have any Sally Hansen polishes in my collection, so I'm excited to try them out. This first one is called 365 Hard Bitten. It's a pretty soft blue color. I really like it. And then this next one I really like. It's like a metallic-y copper color. It's called 550 Brownstone. It's really pretty. And then next, nothing too exciting, I got some non-acetone nail polish remover for if I just want to remove my polish on my nails without breaking down the acrylic, because if you don't know, acetone breaks down acrylic. That's how you remove acrylic, at least I do. But if I don't want to do an infill or replace my acrylic, I just want to change my nail color, I'm going to use this. And lastly, I got this Pro FX long wearing UV top coat. Now I don't know if this is a top coat you have to like cure in the lamp, or if it's just like a regular top coat with like a UV looking finish. The directions say to apply as top coat after nail polish, can be applied between manicures, so it doesn't say anything about curing in the lamp. So I'll try it both ways, curing it in the lamp and not curing it in the lamp. So it just looks like this. It's really big. So I got that, and that is what I got at Walmart. Now on to Dollar Tree. So first thing I have here is these Kiss gel finish polishes. Now I featured some other colors in another haul, my first haul that I did here on the channel, and I've been on a hunt for some more colors. They fly off the shelf, so I just got my hands on these. Now this one is such a pretty color, but it doesn't have the name on it, so I don't know what the name is. If I find the name, I'll link it down below in the description box. But it's this really pretty like metallic-y army green color. It's really unique. I have nothing like this in my collection. I really like it. It's really pretty. Again, I don't know the name. If I find it, I'll link it down below. And next is called Partner. It's a really pretty like burgundy red color. I love a red nail. you can never have too many red polishes in your collection. So I'm just adding it to my collection. I got these cuticle nippers, nothing exciting. Some purple cuticle nippers just to add to my implement collection. I have this really, really pretty sparkly pink color by Wet n Wild. It's called Sparkled. It's a perfect name for it because it's really, really sparkly. I really think it's really pretty for it, like an accent nail, something like this. So that's what it looks like. And I have a few Wet n Wild nail polishes in my collection, so just adding it to my collection. And lastly, I was on a hunt for a white striping polish because I have a black striping polish, and it's really good for detailed nail art like lines and stuff like that. And it's really perfect for marble design, and I want to do some marble design on my nails one day. So I was on a hunt for a white one, because I already have a black one, and this is by LA Colors, and it's just their striping polishes. Lastly, I got nothing too exciting. It's over here on my table. I got this 2-pack of storage containers. I featured these in my last Dollar Tree haul, and I use them to store my nail polishes because I don't have a nail polish rack. I have like a cart, so I use it to store my nail polishes and also to store things that I grab for often, like my top coats, my base coats, cuticle oil, acetone, stuff like that, and I put it on top of my cart in one of these. So it's a pack of 2 for $1, so I just got 2 more of these. And that's all that I grabbed from Walmart and Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed coming to shop with me in this haul and seeing what I got. If you like videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe down below. And my social media is up here, so if you want, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Again, thank you so much for coming back to my nail obsession. Bye.